Hey there, welcome to 6720 Fairhaven Road, number 6. Welcome to our open house for 6720 Fairhaven Road, unit number 6, Madison. It's the Spring Creek Condominium Association. Go in and take a look. So coming in through the front door, just gonna take a quick spin around so you guys can see there is parking right outside your front door. Does have 2 underground heated parking spots with a storage unit. But as you come through the front door, you'll see the bright natural light coming into your living room area, then flows into your dining and kitchen. Let me just take you for a little tour. Nice dining room area, window with some natural light. I'm going to kind of spin back around here so you can see the living room space. Again, with being an end unit, you have lots of windows. This is going to be your mechanical closet. So your water heater, furnace, water softener are all located in this closet here. Kitchen, lots of great storage. Has a huge pantry right here. We'll do a quick spin around through here so you can see lots and lots of nice, great cabinets. This unit is great for entertaining as everything is open and kind of flows together. Right off the kitchen, as you come in the door, there is powder bath here. This is going to be kind of the back door to the unit. Comes into a common area, which then in turn leads to the downstairs parking garage. Again, 2 spaces, heated garage, storage unit. Nice big coat closet, entryway closet as you come in. And then we'll go upstairs, which is where we're gonna find laundry, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. So laundry is right at the top of the stairs here with stackable units. Bedroom 1. (11 by 10) with 2 closets in the room. Let me just get the door out of the way here. Again, end unit, so lots of great natural light coming into the bedrooms. Give you the idea of closet space. Each bedroom has kind of their own bath area. This one is just outside of bedroom number 2. Now we'll take a look at master or second bedroom. This room is 11 by 16, so lots of great space, even for a king size bed. Again, end unit, lots of natural light coming in. And then we'll take a little look through the walk-through closet here. Lots of great space in here, has organizers. And then once again, another private bath. And you can kind of see the shower here behind. And it is stand-up shower with seats. Other one has tub unit. This kind of gives you the idea of the upstairs. Thanks for joining.